All right, guys, we are super excited to see what's inside this box with you here today. Thank you for joining us. Hashtag notification squad. Well, this is one of the bigger boxes I've seen in a while.
This box is actually the size of Carlos.
What if Carlos was inside?
I'd be worried
Would you be
because it's
surprised?
taped.
He can hold his breath for 18 months.
Wow.
All the haters didn't think that was gonna work.
Yes!
Segway Mini Light. For once, I want to open a box and just have just a regular skateboard inside, and then we're just like, whoa, a skateboard! We're gonna
I haven't seen one of
skateboard on
these in
this.
years.
What's a skateboard?
Exactly. Activation via iOS, Android on your mobile device is required before riding the unit.
Pages 6 and up. Sorry, Gabe. Wow, there's a handle.
What is a Segway light?
I see these all the time in San Francisco.
It's a box inside of a box.
I see them never in San Francisco. Whenever you ride this product, your risk of injury or death from loss of control, collisions, and falls. Wear an approved helmet and other protective gear to minimize any possible injury. Read the user manual, watch the safety video, and follow the new rider tutorial on the app.
Jeez.
It's like a whole DMV course before you're allowed to use it. Manufacturers recommend age of 6+ years old. How old are you? 6. How fast does this thing go, Gabe?
Only 10 miles per hour.
Only. That's 10 more than I can run.
Same. Oh, great.
Oh, Aaron.
A box inside of another box.
Jeez.
Wait a minute. How did that even fit in there?
I think we need to call the Environmental Protection Agency about this
Dude,
box.
seriously. It's like the most unnecessary amount of boxes within boxes.
Just for this one thing. Next time we should leave it in the
How did that
box.
even fit in there?
What it was is that the bottom unit was in there on its own, and then the leg standing up unit was separate that you had to assemble. How did you even get that?
Got him. You ready?
Yeah.
What in the world? How does it do that? How does it know? Artificial intelligence.
Give it a wang dango.
I don't want to give it a wang dango.
Oh!
How do you turn?
Come on, think about it, Aaron. You got this.
Turn.
You know how to do it.
No.
You just gotta think about it.
Oh yeah, I think I understand. What do you do?
I mean, why would there just be this random thing sticking out?
What in
Oh!
the world? That is so weird. Oh! It feels like I'm touching my third leg. Okay.
Hit the parking
I
curb.
take it all back. This is probably one of the cooler things we've had. Oh my gosh, it's like teetering backwards though.
Yeah, that is what I didn't understand about it. Not that I've ridden it before.
The more speed you get, it teeters backwards. It's really working out my calves. It's quite easy to ride.
Oh. Uh-oh. It's panicking!
This is not a sponsored video, by the way.
No, we just love riding this stuff. Let's go.
Back foot, first try. Oh!
I did not expect that to keep going.
No.
Dude,
We
now
do
we gotta
tricks
see
on
how high it can go up while staying gyroscopically stabilized.
scared,
That was the hardest thing I've ever said.
I'm uncomfortable.
Turn.
You gotta use this
I'm
head leg thing.
The little stick. Wow, look at those skis.
Wow.
Torque in his body.
I'm dizzy.
I am so weirded out that it holds up like that.
I know. All right. Who's filming while I crush this thing?
Gabe's gonna give it a wang danger. He's a natural. He's a natural. This is what he's like all the time.
Why is it doing this?
You're not. Use your knees.
This is fun. I don't know. Oh yeah, maybe. Why does it lean backwards? I want to sit down on this thing.
Rowan, cut that out.
All right, should I go up the bank? Yeah. The battery looks like it's in the bottom.
So we can't grind the battery? If we grind the battery and this thing blows up,
Why is it
Telling me it's a bad idea.
it has a whole mind of its own. I'm telling you. Artificial intelligence is taking over the
You know what it
planet.
reminds me of? You see Wall-E?
Yeah.
That's what it reminds me of.
Oh no. All right, let's go. Game of skate.
I want to play. Can I play?
No.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes!
Great.
That's harder than it seems.
Oh, it is harder. I know. I don't like how it leans back.
Wait, why is that a feature?
We never had that problem with the solo wheel.
They thought I didn't have it in me. They thought I got a letter. Think again. It's retribution time.
Are you
Should I
gonna
just full send?
you
I
doing
might just
that?
full send. You got it, Teddy.
Come on, Betty! Put some power into it.
If you hit the bottom, you get a letter. Come on! You haven't hit the bottom yet! Come on, Betty!
There you go.
There it is!
Oh my god.
Yes!
It's the longest trick I've ever seen.
Gabe doesn't got this. He doesn't got it. He won't do this. No. No way. Oh, what? He's like Professor X.
You touch the bottom, you lose.
Gonna go down the bank backwards.
Yeah.
No way.
Oh, turn! Yes.
Dang it! No! Let it go! Let it go!
It just ran over my foot.
It literally stopped before it hit that. How does it know? Do you think there are sensors on there? For real?
There's only one way. We need to fling it at a wall and see.
Ollie.
Call your mom right now and tell her how good you are.
Call my mom. Oh gosh, he's actually calling. Wow.
Dang, I got moves.
Whoa.
Oh, first try!
He was doing the robot on the robot. Gabe's got nothing on this.
Ain't nothing.
Ain't got nothing and
Me and
no.
I've got everything.
Wow. Okay. $10.
Braille was the scariest thing I've ever done in my life.
Holy sent.
Beeps when it's freaking
Yeah.
out. Mario would love this thing.
Out of all the things that we've ridden, all the electronic devices, I gotta say, I think this might be the safest one.
The safest?
Yes.
I guess I'm gonna go down anything else switch.
That's what I almost did too.
Gabe practices too much.
He literally comes here at night before we film and practices.
I'm not gonna argue.
See? It literally won't even run into you. Come to me, puppy.
Self-piloting.
I swear
AI.
I'm gonna do it, and then everyone's gonna do it because it's so easy.
Ollie.
Just
Oh. Oh no.
You got that, Gabe.
Relax, dude.
Alright. I'm tech and they're nar. Soon I'll be tech nar. He's like, oh, I just practiced all night. I could do every trick.
I was only here until about 4 a.m. It's not all night, okay?
Time to bring the pain. Fear nothing.
It wants me dead. I can't even move.
I'm telling you, the AI is learning. The AI is learning.
Oh yeah, nobody got hurt yet. Safest one.
Ah, that's scary.
Watch that lead. Oh my gosh, I'm like so ready to just love this thing forever.
I'm gonna
Wanna
give it
sleep
all
with it
of
at
the
night.
affection. All right, I'm gonna steal your trick.
Low blow. Oh, my name's Gabe, and I'm cool. Be nice to your friends. Gabe, that was really well done. Thank you for stealing my trick.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means. Freedom! I thought of the guy in Braveheart, and I thought, you got this. Your face is painted. You got this.
You are not Mel Gibson. You are not Mel Gibson. Watch out, Faye.
I see where you're going.
I am tech, and they are nar.
You turned it off. He fully turned it off.
Well, he does get 2 tries anyways.
Nope. I tried to get above it, and it was just not happening. Nope.
$10 says if Carlos was here, he would drop in. That twisted my back in ways that bodies are not supposed to move.
The gap freaks him out. That's exactly why I put it just narrowly enough for me to not be freaked out by it, but for him to be freaked out by it. You got this, Aaron. Now you gotta make the drop.
I can't do it with a wall right there. It messes me up thoroughly.
The Australian tech whisperer.
Did you do it? I missed everything, grading my son. No. Right here, $20. He was slaying that.
I just gotta go back to my roots.
All right, guys, leave it in the comments below. How many tries did that take Fetty? Hashtag notification squad. You know the drill. Just shredding the pipe. No way. I'm telling you, it is learning the ways of the world. It's smarter and better than we ever could be.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Ow.
Thanks a lot for watching. You guys are the absolute best. We were trying to find the craziest things on the internet that we could possibly find. So why don't you do a little search, see what you can find. Leave it in the comment below. Send us a link. We'll check it out. This is Mystery Box. Right after this, there will be a screen that pops up with some more videos. Definitely check those out. You guys will love them. They are a blast. Thank you for watching. I hope that you guys, yes, you guys are learning to skateboard. That is the purpose of Braille skateboarding. So please learn to skateboard. You can get all your skateboarding gear, equipment, skateboarding made simple at brailleskateboarding.com. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, leave a comment below. Wow, there's a lot going on. I'll see you tomorrow, 10 a.m. One final test to see how intelligent this thing actually is. Whoa! The wheels maintain no damage.